Hey guys, and welcome to the This is a Closer tutorial. This is a closer is a two-handed cut that I came up with quite a while ago while trying to figure out what to do with Kenneth's this move. Kenneth had the idea of using a revolution tool to make a packet seem like it appeared in mid-air right beside the deck. And I really liked that concept and was trying to figure out what to proceed to do with this grip. It's a really simple move that you can use as a closer to almost any two-handed cut. So go grab yourself your favorite deck of playing cards and let's get down to learning This is a Closer. To do This is a Closer, first begin by getting into the Revolution 2 grip, in which two fingers are below and your middle finger is on top of the packet. Next, using these two fingers, your left hand middle finger and left hand ring finger, you're going to rotate the packet from this lying down position to this standing up position. At the same time, using your right hand, you're going to create a magical gesture that looks something like this. 1, 2, whew. Let's give that another try. Perfect. Next, using your right hand, clip this packet using your thumb and the base of your palm right here. At the same time, you're going to use your middle finger to peel off a packet like so. While this is happening, you are also going to do a Charlier cut in your left hand and leave the Charlier cut open like this. Let's take a look at that again. So 1, split and Charlier cut, and you're in this position. Next, use your right hand and approach the packet like this. Slot this packet between the two packets in your right hand, like so. This should make it easy to pick up that packet with the two packets in your right hand. Using your left hand thumb, press against the top packet right here and push it all the way into the middle of this packet. So here it goes. Boom. That's 1. Using your left hand middle finger, push this packet up and boom, that's 2. Alright, so let's take a look at the entire move from the beginning at a more steady pace. One more time. So open up, split, Charlier cut, slide it in like so, thumb, middle finger, thumb. Real easy. Okay, so here's a slow performance for you to gain a sense of the timing of the move. Alright guys, thank you guys very much for watching the This is a Closer tutorial. I think it's a very simple move, very easy and fun to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed learning that move. While we're here, I would be remiss if I don't drop a shout out to the awesome patrons that help the New Deck Order and School of Cardistry keep making these free tutorials. So shout outs to Troy Howell, Andreas Gar, Royce Koo, Sebastian Gopok Siu, Thung Nguyen, and Mark Ong. And of course, all the other awesome patrons for their support of our show. Until next time guys, keep on practicing. I'll talk to you guys next week.